I mean, I didn't say it this way, but it's as simple as you calling up your friend. Hey, Linda, do you have a Legal Shield membership yet? And she says, no. Great. Let me buy you lunch tomorrow. Free lunch? Cool, I'm down, is what Linda says. And you go have lunch, and you pull out the placemat or pull out the app or whatever you want to use to show the membership, and you sign Linda up because you've got confidence in the value that this is going to bring to Linda's life. And you're okay with spending $15 to buy her lunch because you're going to go out and make $70 up to $370 commission the next day. Spend money and make money. So anyway, if you only have 30 minutes, here's the thing. 30 minutes a day, everybody has. I don't care who you are. Everybody's got 30 minutes they can find throughout a day. Before work, lunch break, after work, before dinner, while you're cooking dinner, after dinner, before you go to bed, from the toilet. I don't care. You can find 30 minutes. My wife thinks I'm making phone calls while I'm going to the bathroom because I'm in there so long. Any guys like that?